Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Hello friends, today we are going to learn affirmative to negative. In the last video we learned that how to make the exclamatory to assertive and assertive to exclamatory, but now today we are going to learn affirmative to negative. First we understand what is the meaning of affirmative and what is the meaning of negative. Let's see the definition. A sentence which convey a positive message. A sentence which convey a positive message, it is called affirmative. Example, Mahatma Gandhi was a great person. Mahatma Gandhi was a great person. This is the example of affirmative sentence. There is no negative words in the sentence. Let's see the negative. What is the meaning of negative? A sentence which conveys negative message. A sentence which conveys negative message. And another one thing, that how you identify when you see the negative words in the sentence, you identify that the sentence is negative. Okay, let's see the negative words. No, not, never, nothing, nobody, no one, no sooner, than, like this. Now the example. I am not a terrorist. I am not a terrorist. This is the example of negative sentence. So first we understand affirmative, negative. Now we are discussing how the affirmative sentence convert into negative. Because when we make the affirmative to negative, we don't change the meaning. We just maintain the meaning, but we just change the negative. The negative. What is the negative? Message. We change the sentence in a negative message, not change the meaning. Let's see the sentence. Now we see the different formation of negative sentence. The first we see write opposite to make negative. We just write down the opposite word and make the negative sentence. How is it possible? Because this is a simple way to make the negative sentence, and most of the students, they just know that write down the opposite word and make it negative. So this is not only one method. There are lots of methods are there. First sentence, I find it difficult. Now we want to make the negative. I do not find it easy. I find it difficult. I find it difficult. And the negative, I do not find, because why I take do? Because this is a simple present tense. If you want to make the negative sentence of simple present tense, you have to take the helping verb do or does. Now I take do because the subject is I. That's why. I do not find it. Opposite word difficult, opposite word easy. So I just write down the word easy and make it negative. I don't change the meaning of the sentence. That's very important. You don't change the meaning. You just make the negative sense of the sentence. Don't change the meaning. Next, change the degree to make negative. Sometimes we just change the degree and make it negative. Only the opposite word. This is not be a right way. Sometimes we change the degree. We also make the negative. First, he is the tallest boy in our class. This is the sentence of superlative degree. Okay, he is the tallest boy in our class. Now we change the degree. We change the degree in positive degree. No other boy in the class, or we can write in, not in the class, our class. No other boy in our class is as tall as he is. No other boy in our class is as tall as he is. We just change the degree. This is a superlative sentence, and now we convert into positive degree and make it negative. Because why this sentence is negative? Because understand no. When the no comes in the sentence, we understand this is a negative sentence. What is this? This is negative. Okay, let's see next. Am is a plus unable to. This is the meaning of cannot. Because we understand in model auxiliary verb, at the place of can we use am is a plus able to. At the place of could we use was were plus able to. Okay, but if there is a cannot or could not, if there is a cannot or could not, we take the some different, not able, unable. We take the unable. Am is a plus unable to, the meaning of the cannot, and was were plus unable to, the meaning could not. So if there is a am is are unable to, you have to take the cannot. Okay, so we see the sentence. We are unable to help rich people. We are unable to help rich people. Now we make the negative of this word. This is the affirmative sentence. This is affirmative. We want to make the negative. We cannot, remove the are, unable to, use cannot. We cannot help rich people. Just make it negative. Okay. No, there is nothing to change the meaning. We just we just make the negative. Next, I was unable to visit museum. I was unable to visit the museum. We make the negative. I could not visit the museum. We use could not at the place of was unable to. Like this, we have to change into negative sentence. We have to make the negative sentence. In the first time we just use the opposite word, but the next we also change the degree and make it negative. We change the am is are unable to convert into negative cannot, was were unable to convert into negative could not. Okay, in that formation we have to change the sentence into negative. Now we see the next sentence. See the example. As soon as, in the affirmative sentence, if there is a use of as soon as and we want to make the negative, of as soon as, we convert this sentence in no sooner dot dot than. If we convert the sentence in no sooner dot dot than, we make the negative of this sentence. Okay, let's see how it make. Affirmative sentence. As soon as she saw her mother, comma, she began to cry. Sometimes happen that as soon as she saw her mother, she began to cry. Now make the negative. No sooner did. After the no sooner there is a helping verb. This is the rule. This is the formula. Okay. No sooner did. Why I take the did? Because this is a simple past tense. That's why I take did. No sooner did she see her mother, then comma, at the place of comma there is than. She began to cry. You just write down the sentence. Okay. Now you make the negative of the affirmative sentence by using the no sooner dot dot than. See the next. As well as or both. As well as or both dot dot and sentence also make it negative. But in which construction? Not only dot dot but also. You also make the negative sentence of as well as or both dot dot and convert into negative not only dot dot but also. Okay. See the example, you understand very well after getting the example. Helen Keller was both blind and deaf. Helen Keller, such a very inspirational story of Helen Keller. You have, I think that you heard in the 9th class. Helen Keller was both blind and deaf, and we have to make the negative. If there is no opposite word, there is nothing to else, but we want to make the negative word by using the different construction, different method. Okay, the method is that if there is a both dot dot and you have to use not only but also for making negative. Look at Helen Keller was not only blind but also deaf. Not only blind but also deaf. Was not only use the not only at the place of both and but also at the place of and. Just like this we have to make the negative sentence. There is another construction 2 dot dot 2 t double o 2 dot dot 2. This is a affirmative construction. 2 dot dot 2, this is a affirmative construction and you have to make the negative of this construction, convert into so dot dot that. So dot dot that. How? Look at affirmative sentence. He is too weak to walk. Sometimes you are too weak. Actually, now this time every person is really is so weak. They don't walk on the road and they just using the bicycle or motorbike. So this is not be good. You have to walk every day. He is too weak to walk. He is too weak to walk. Negative. He is so weak. He is so weak that the next two at the place of two we have to use that he cannot walk. And now you confuse that why you take cannot, why you are not taking could not, because see this is the simple present tense. If there is a present tense we have to use cannot. If there is a past tense we have to use could not, just like this. But only one thing you have to understand, if there is a construction of t double o 2 dot dot 2 and you want to make the negative of this sentence, so you have to use so dot dot that for making the negative of sentence. Very easy to understand. Now we see the next sentence. See the next sentence, unless. If there is a sentence of unless, the unless sentence is in an affirmative sentence. We are considering that unless is affirmative sentence, is in an affirmative sentence, and if we want to make the negative of the sentence unless, then we have to convert into if dot dot not. How to make it? Let's see. Unless I take money, comma, he will waste on his friend. Okay, he will waste on his friends. Okay, unless I take money, he will waste on his friends. Okay, if I don't take money, if I don't take money, he will waste on his friends. That is the unless. At the place of unless we use if plus not, and if we use not, when we use not we also use the helping verb, because without helping verb you can't use not need the helping verb with them. That's why we use do. What we use? Do. Why we use the do? Because this is a simple present tense, and in simple present tense we use helping verb do or does. At the place of at this place we use do because the subject is I. That's why. Okay, this is the method of using the do or does. But how to make negative of the unless? You just use the if not, the construction of if not, and make it negative easily. Let's see the next. Hardly anybody. If there is a in affirmative sentence there is a word hardly anybody and you have to make the negative, it convert into nobody. Hardly anybody convert into nobody in negative. Anyone in affirmative sentence convert into negative no one. Always in affirmative sentence, the word always in the affirmative sentence convert into negative never. And hardly anything, the word in a affirmative sentence convert in negative nothing. Okay, let's see the example. Hardly anything can be done here. The sentence is hardly anything can be done here. We make the negative of the sentence. This is the affirmative sentence and you want to make negative. Hardly anything can be done. This is the affirmative sentence. We want to negative. How to make? Hardly, at the place of hardly anything, what we use in negative? At the place of hardly anything, what we use in negative? We use negative. At the place of hardly anything, nothing. What we use? Nothing. Nothing can be done here. That's right. Now the last construction we want to learn that sometimes there is a construction of fail to, fails to, failed to. Okay. So in that time there is no opposite word and you have to make the negative of the sentence. Okay. How to use the how to make the negative of fail to, fails to, and failed to. Okay. Let's see. This is a sentence. He failed to return my money. The sentence is in a simple past tense. Which tense? Simple past tense. He failed to return my money and make it he did not. We use the at the place of fail did not. Look at the place of fail to use did not in negative. At the place of fail to use did not. At the place of fails to use does not. At the place of fail to use do not. Just you have to use only this word, nothing to any word. You just, if there is a fail to use do not. If there is a fails to use does not. If there is a fail to use did not. He failed to return my money. He did not return my money. Okay, did not, we use did not, then V1. Okay, he does not get anything in lottery. We just write oppositely. He does not get anything in lottery. This is a negative sentence. He does not get anything in lottery. This is a negative sentence. This sentence is in a simple present tense. Does not. Okay. Then at the place of does not, what we use? Fails to. He fails to get anything in lottery. What we use? He fails because does not. If do not, we have to use fail, and if does not, we have to use fails. Okay, this is the difference. Like this, we understand how to make affirmative to negative. If you want to more example, please go through the link. There is a link has given in a description box. You just solve many more examples, because without solving the examples you can't understand. Okay, thank you for watching this video.